I got the Jordan merchandise, baby. I got the Jordan merchandise. And of course, I had to get the limited release of Palace. Yes, the collaboration. Well, guys, at least the one I could get my hands on. It was difficult, but I got my hands on it. Let's not waste any time, guys. Let's get straight to it. Let's do this. What's going on, YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all great things, guys, and always staying away from the drama. Guys, this one right here is going to be a quickie. A quickie. Guys, this is going to be a fast one, guys. There's only 3 little items that I got right there. Little items. No, it's actually 3 items that I have, and I'm bringing, I just got to bring it to you guys. Everything that I get in, not like regular pieces. Anything that I see that it's really worth reviewing, I'm gonna bring it to you guys. So I'm gonna start off, of course, with the hat. Guys, there's no massive cleaver on this one, the ultimate protection. There is no massive cleaver for the simple fact that I actually had to open this hat right here, and let's just say it was very squashed. I had to refix it. Nike, you messed up on that boxing. Yes, you did. Somebody there was, I don't know, heated. They had a lot of hatred inside of them that day. I have no idea. But let's just say, bro, that this hat that you're looking at was destroyed. Destroyed. I saw this in the app and I said, dude, I gotta get this because I'm actually thinking about start wearing more snapbacks. But before I even show you the up and close personal footages, and yeah, being professional doesn't work for me. The reality was that I got this hat because of what it signifies, what it represents. That's what I love the most about it. But man, I did my best to try to fix it, and I want to, like I said, guys, I want to wear snapbacks. Let's get into it immediately, guys. Check it out right there. Right in the front, you see the championship ring of MJ, but it has the Jordan logo on it. And it's all embroidered, very beautiful. The hat, guys, completely is in white, and the lid is in black, as you guys can see right there. The bottom of the lid is black as well. Going to the left side of the hat, it has the other championship ring, but it says 23 on it, and it is embroidered as well. All the way in the back, guys, it is the Jumpman logo, very nicely sewn, very beautiful, and it has the little Jordan tab right there next to the snaps. Very nice, guys. I like that a lot. And going to the right side of the hat, it actually has another championship ring that honestly I have no idea what that little thing is trying to say, or it's just like a little logo. I have no idea, guys. I don't know what it means. It just looks nice with the diamonds around it. I just think the hat is gorgeous all the way through. And in the inside, very nice. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever with the Jumpman logo. Very beautiful. And guys, yes, I had to buy this large, extra large. Yes. Why that I had to buy a large, extra large? Because it was the only size that was available. They didn't have the smaller sizing. So I had to get this. I'll show you in my case, guys. I am a 7.5. There it is, guys. I am a 7.5 when it comes to actual hats. I think it's maybe a little big right here or something like that. I don't know, guys. Once again, I rock it, but anything, I just put it up anyways. I don't really like the hat so down like that, And then if I want to flip it around, excuse me, guys, I do not like showing my top of the head. It is what it is, guys. It's just superstitions, you know what I'm saying? So, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. As a matter of fact, I'll put this one down, and I'll keep this one on for the rest of the day. Even it don't matter if it looks right or not, guys. It is what it is. Leave it just the way it is. Next, it is this ACG shirt, guys. Let me show you this real quick. I still have it inside, and just by the touch alone, it's crazy, guys. Crazy. Bro. Look at this shirt, guys. Look at this t-shirt. ACG in the house. Guys, if you want the highest grade, high quality t-shirts of Nike, go with a high-end Jordan. that is made with the same exact quality and go with ACG. This is the real deal Holyfield, guys. This is 220, 230 GSM like it's nothing. It's well worth the money. The printing on it is gorgeous. Very nice all the way through. But why did I get this shirt right here? Let me show you the images right there, guys. Why did I get this shirt? Because my zodiac is a Scorpio. And I saw it and I said, damn, bro, with the cowboy hat, bro. Yeah. Supposedly, this shirt, well, at least of what I read by the top, it was inspired by the deserts of Texas, you know. So, and they said they saw a lot of scorpions there and they put the little cowboy hat on it. Really nice. Very nicely print, guys. Not super thick printing, but it is very good quality printing. Not a regular type of screen print. And all the way in the bottom, it has the little ACG tab. Very nicely sewn. Nothing in the back or anything like that. So, guys, yes, this is the real deal Holyfield. I love ACG. So when it's just quality, you know that this is gonna last you a very, very long time. This is quality at its best. And let me show you how it fits right there, guys. I am 175 pounds, and this is a size large, guys. Yes, size large. I don't like none of that tidy stuff, guys. No. I don't do that. I don't throw it down with a tidy. So there you guys have it. Next! I said it, guys, this is a quickie. And last but not least, yes, the Palace collaboration with JCC. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Let's open it up. I still haven't opened it, guys. This, I know for a fact, the quality of it, what it is. It's not over 200. This is actually 190 GSM, but it's very, very well made. So, this is the collaboration, like I said, guys, with JCC, as you guys can see right there in the front. It has the hand and the two eyes. One of the eyes has a tear on it, and it has the red, blue, and yellow going around it, the diamond for Palace. And in the back, it has the same exact logo, but of course, gigantic. Very nice. Anybody that knows about this right here, guys, Palace is basically the supreme of Europe. This is the real deal Holyfield right here, bro. I love this brand. I really love this brand. Let's put it like that. And the tag, just so you guys can see it, right there is, I think I forget it. The tag says the collaboration right there, JCC with Palace. Very, very nice. And guys, right there, I am once again 175 pounds, and that is a size large. Very, very nice, guys. Can't complain about it. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm bringing it, guys. I'm bringing whatever comes over here that I feel that it's worth reviewing. The hat, I don't know if it's going to be available, guys. They only had large, extra large. It was sold out 100%. Then to top it off, I think they actually had a discount on it from 48 to 36 or something like that. It was something around that. I'm going to try to put a link on it. Really doubt that I'm going to be able to. Same with Palace. It's hard to put links on Palace, you know, and try to help you guys out finding the actual shirts, because these things sell out, and when they do, they're actually a StockX. So I'll try to find you a link through StockX or maybe GOAT that might have it or something like that. But that's pretty much it, guys. And ACG, you could just get it straight through Nike. I don't have to put an actual code for that, or you know, put an affiliate code for that. And guys, you'll be fine. You can go straight to Nike. It's there. By the way, before I even keep going, this shirt was $58. The Palace was $58, and the ACG, excuse me about that, guys, I like to tell you the price, was $55. So 55, 58, and the hat was 38 or something like that. I don't remember that good. You'll get a discount if they still have it available, guys, because the giant crown right there, you know. But it is what it is. Guys, remember, I'm bringing a lot of the Heatonina. The Heatonina's coming, guys. Anything I see that is worth reviewing and for you guys to know, I'm going to bring it. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace! El cohete!